We'll guide you through how to accept follow requests on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So if you've got a private account on Instagram, this means you have to go and approve who can go and follow you. You can go and accept, or you can go and decline them. And if you go and accept them, they'll then be able to go and start seeing your account. They can see your posts, your stories, your following, your followers, and loads of different things. So do this wisely, but you can also go and remove them again in the future if you want to. So of course, you can only go and accept followers if you've got a private account. That's the feature of it. You can go and check you've got a private account, because if you go and look in the top left of your profile on the profile page, tap that in the bottom right, you're going to see a padlock icon just to the left of my username, as you can see, indicating we've got a private account and therefore we need to go and approve followers. So perhaps somebody said go and approve their follow request, and so you want to go and accept them. So to go about this, it's much easier than you probably think. What you need to do is go and head to the home page on Instagram, not the settings. So press the home button in the bottom left like so. Then what you need to do is go to the top right and you need to go and find the heart icon. That's your notifications. You want to go and tap there. Then at the top, you'll go and see follow requests. So you're also going to see it in the notification, and you can go and accept it directly from here. But to go and see the list of your follow requests, and you can quickly then go and decline or accept them, press follow request at the top, and then you'll go and see the list here. So you can go and press seal to the right as well, and then you go and see a list of the requests. If there's a specific one you're looking for, you can search for it. Otherwise, you can go and press confirm.